Hello, my name is Jim.
And my name is Andrea, and we live in San Clemente. Well, when we first bought the home 3 years ago, the backyard, we had grass, 2 very small patios, and a lot of brush that was growing up and around through the backyard and into the back hills. And I would say that the house was very dated. So I decided to call a contractor and try to make more indoor-outdoor concept, modernize the downstairs area, and also improve the fireplaces. How did I decide on Millennium Construction? Well, I'd read their reviews, and Eddie lives locally. He always returned my phone calls, he always returned my texts, and actually had a great sense of design and suggested multiple things within the household that I probably never would have thought of.
Millennium Construction was very good. They had to literally strip this backyard down to nothing. They cleaned up every day, so that was very helpful.
And we added on the indoor-outdoor doors. We added on a jacuzzi. We pavered the whole backyard, and we added on 2 entertainment areas, one for food and for entertainment that also includes a tap and a wine bar. And then we also have another seated area that's also used as a refrigerator and a storage area, so people could sit high enough in the back and look at the view and look at Catalina. And he also renovated a fireplace with a piece of reclaimed wood and used the same stone to blend it into our outside indoor-outdoor living area that really improved and made this backyard very beautiful. We had a huge, large raised entryway that's antiquated. However, they were able to take that back 10 feet to give us more space in the living area. And they put up a huge board that went 18 feet in height, so all the way to the ceiling, so we could access the bedroom, the bonus rooms, and the bedrooms upstairs. We have beautiful, what's the name of that stone again?
Quartzite.
Quartzite. That's gorgeous. We have fantastic countertops. Our floors are beautiful.
Well, the family members say, well, this is the place for coming for holidays. They really like it. They were totally blown away. They just couldn't believe how much space we got in the kitchen, which we really didn't add anything to it, a little bit, but it made it so much bigger. Friends would come over and just, wow. And then now we can sit and enjoy our view of Catalina without all the junk around.
So we added on the balcony, and the functionality is incredible. We can easily seat 40 to 50 people outside. We can seat multiple people inside.
Eddie, your crew at Millennium Construction was fantastic, very easy to work with, very friendly. They listened to me. Your design is fabulous. I mean, just look at the pictures. They speak for themselves. It's even better in person.
And Eddie, talking about being in person and personable, what I would say to you is thank you for answering my texts, for all of my questions. And our family, of course, loves to come, and they do often. Bye, Eddie.
Bye. Thank you.
Sí, nos vemos pronto, okay? Ciao.